Don't try to rush things. When you collect your thoughts, focus on what your priority is and focus on the situation you are in. Teach yourself that even a mistake happens. Don't overthink it. Aren't we all human beings? Don't we all make mistakes? Even Elon Musk stutters speak when he speaks. A little laugh directed at you is not a damage. Don't let those feelings reduce your confidence. Try boxing. If you have the opportunity, boxing is a must-you try. It is not another aggressive sport but a good practice to haul out your confidence. First, it's strategic, requires mental resilience, provide confidence to go against a challenge, and is a powerful stress reliever. Even Prince Harry has spoken about the power of boxing. Be it your dress for the day, the way you speak, the way you walk, that small lisp you have, your height, gray hair, wrinkles, distaste in jazz music, your color blindness, stage fright, anything, accept it. Nothing about you is a cause for embarrassment. To be confident, you need to accept everything about you. When you get it to your mind, your brain automatically removes the barriers that limit you from having everyday confidence. And then you need daily reminders and practice to improve yourself. Take your time to find yourself and start to follow any 3 of the steps we taught you before today.